Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to download or export to Google Sheet your fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to the All Apps here in the left side menu, and then you can go to Accounting section and you will find Fixed Assets menu. Click on it, and then you will be in this page. You can see all of your fixed asset. In my case, it's only have three. And in order to download or export it, you can go to see reports here, and you can click fixed asset list to see the details. And then you will see all of your fixed asset list here. You can see the details here. And in order to export it, you can go to the export icon here. Click export, and as you can see there is option to export to Google Sheet. You can click on it, and then we will be able to download it to your computer. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.